The quintessential Indian dessert, which is best served piping hot, can be made easily at home. We picked 6 popular brands of gulab jamun mixes in the Indian market for our review. The Gits Gulab Jamun dessert mix comes in a box packaging. The mix is packed inside a plastic pouch and placed inside the box. Chitle Instant Gulab Jamun mix comes in a bright packaging. As per the pack, this pack yields 40 gulab jamuns. MTR Ready Mix Gulab Jamun is a 175 gram pack priced at Rs 130. As per the pack, it yields 35 gulab jamuns of 25 grams each. The 175 gram pack of Nilon's Instant Mix Gulab Jamun is priced at Rs 90. This pack yields 40 gulab jamuns. Ashirwad Gulab Jamun Instant Mix is a 500 gram pack priced at Rs 220. As per the pack, it yields 100 gulab jamuns of 20 grams each. Haldiram's Gulab Jamun Instant Mix is a 180 gram pack priced at Rs 80. As per the pack, it yields 32 gulab jamuns. We followed the instructions on every pack to review the gulab jamun mixes in our review lab. Firstly, we made a sugar syrup, and for making the gulab jamuns, water was added to the mix. The dough was kneaded until it was soft and pliable. Once rested, we divided the dough into 4 equal parts. All gulab jamuns weighed between 10 to 12 grams each, varying from brand to brand. Next, we deep fried the gulab jamuns on low heat. Once cooked, we immersed it in the prepared sugar syrup for a specified amount of time as mentioned on the pack and tasted them warm. We chose Gits Gulab Jamun dessert mix as our top pick as the dough balls we made using Gits mix were bell shaped and had a medium softness. We advise you to add water gradually as the dough can get runny very quickly. We also recommend Chitle Gulab Jamun mix as the dough balls we made using this mix were the most effortless and smooth. Read the detailed review on www.mishry.com and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.